Welcome to my channel. If you see me before, welcome back. Today we are making a quick mind jar for your kids to... Hello? She's laughing. I can hear that. Sorry guys. Let's start again. Today we are making a quick mind jar so your kids can enjoy themselves and meditate. Do you want to meditate? You can also use it too. As you already know, all the materials are listed below in the description. So without further ado, let's start because this is gonna be a quickie but a goodie. I already got a little jar. Well, it's supposed to be a mind jar. It's supposed to be a jar, but I thought this little bottle was cute. And I got this at the $1.25 tree. I also got this little glitter and food coloring. This you will find in the grocery store more likely. Tape and scissors to secure it because I know I do not want to mess all over my floor with glitter. So I'm gonna make sure that this does not get open. The whole purpose of this is to be shaken and to be looked at, not to be opened. And usually we will use some glitter glue, but of course I forgot to get the glitter. No, I did not forget. I saw it and then I was like, oh, it would be cool if I get it. And I was like, no, I'm not gonna need it. I don't know. So, since nobody got time to get more glue, we are gonna use oil. So good for your skin too. I already filled up the jar with water and do not secure it yet. I already filled it up, and because I'm doing it for a boy, I have some red over here, I'm gonna use some blue because blue is his favorite color. And I'm gonna keep it light. Oh, well that went. Maybe I should have kept it light. Maybe I should just go all in it. Okay, that's it, no more. I'm gonna use some extra glitter that I had left from like, God knows what year, but it's silver and blue. So we're gonna put that in there. Woo, look how pretty. Please be careful and make sure that you secure all areas with newspaper if you need to, because I do not want to be blamed for a glitter explosion. Very carefully open it. And we are gonna pour some of this. Oops. All right. I don't think there's no such thing as too much glitter, as long as it's contained. Now we're gonna use some oil. This time we're using canola oil. Results may vary. Results may vary. I can't even speak. Results may vary, so oh boy. So if you're doing this with your kids, make sure parents that you are doing this part and leave as very little air as possible. So now we are going to close this. Oh, look at that. Look at that. So it stays in the oil? Huh. That is so interesting. I thought it would get all up in the water. Am I being mind blown? I think so. Like I said, this could be used for adults as well. But look at it. See how it stays in the top? That's kind of cool. All right, so now it's time to secure it. That was very brave of me to just turn it upside down without knowing. We are going to tightly wrap this around. I got oil in my tape. Give me a second. Let's clean as much as we can. I make no promises in this video. That's my disclaimer. Yeah. Or you can just tell your child not to open it. That will be more helpful probably. For my first mind jar, not too shabby. Then you shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. I think next time I'm definitely going to try the glitter glue. Okay, so this is after a couple of weeks, and even right after, it looks dirty, it looks gross. It's not what I intended to do, so I'm going to try this again. Also, the tape, as you can see, did not hold, so that was a super bad idea. All right, so this time it says to add hot water. And then add some of... We are improvising again, which we probably should not be. But, you know, maybe I'll just give it a nice little blue hue. And that's supposed to shake it first. Oh! See? That's not a good idea. That's not a good idea. Alright, I'm gonna try mixing with this. Let's try mixing it like that. Yeah, that's a lot better than shaking it. I'm supposed to put more? Of course, I did not look for measurements. About a half of the bottle. And we shake it, 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 shake it. Add the rest of the hot water. Supposed to dissolve. Oh yeah, well, that's something. Now we're going to add the glitter. Oh, that was a lot. Oh, look at that. Does look pretty. And now we are going to glue this shut. We're going to hot glue this shut. Okay, so now I am drying the outside and the inside of the top. And, oh, okay, it's ready. Okay, this is a very fast thing before it hardens. Oh, oh, oh. Must use both hands. And okay, so this is not the prettiest mine jar, but it's definitely useful. Now, once it dries, it should not be leaking anymore. Yay! Mission accomplished! So, joke. Well, I don't know if it's a joke, but after doing the first mine jar with oil and water, and then repeating the same process with water and glue, and then repeating it again with just water and glitter, I found out that the best way was the simplest way. Water and glitter. I don't know if you guys can see it, but the blue glue turned into like just dirty. Not only that, you shake it, that looks kind of cool, but it takes forever to go down. Like, look at that. You're gonna be there for like at least 15 minutes. Please ignore my background. Whereas this mine jar really fulfills its purpose. As you can see, all the glitters in the bottom. Shake it, it looks beautiful, and it goes down. I am mind blown. Like, I spent all this time doing all these other ones, and in the end, just water and glitter won. So guys, if you're gonna try it, I don't know, this is just my opinion, but I think this is the best way to go. It's just so cute, right? I'm telling you, right? So guys, if you like this video, please like down below, subscribe for more videos, and stay tuned. I got a lot more coming. Bye.